No trip to this part of Arizona is complete without a visit to the iconic Horseshoe Bend State Park. So after catching sunset at the Navajo Point, we made the hour and 45-minute drive to Lee's Ferry Campground. From there, we were only 41 minutes away from Horseshoe Bend State Park. So we left Lee's Ferry Campground before sunrise, stopped on the side of the highway to brush our teeth, and then headed to Horseshoe Bend State Park. Entrance into the park is only $10 and well worth it. Check out these incredible scenes we captured walking through the state park.
Where we at, baby?
Horseshoe Bend, Page, Arizona.
Doing the little mini hike.
October 8th.
October 8th, 2021. We parked all the way over there. Nice big parking lots. Come on. Come on, boys.
Bit of an overcast day.
Yes, it's kind of chilly.
Come on, buddy.
How are you in shorts?
We're from Florida.
How is he a Florida man? Look, it's your kind, Oscar. Oh. I've seen this before, but it never gets old. Right. Wow. Oscar, stay back. Oscar, stay back. We should try that, babe.
Yeah.
We should try that right there, too.
Let's go closer to the edge. Bunch of cowards.
So glad it's not raining.
I know, it would have been slick. Come this way, buddy. I don't know how he climbs. This is very steep.
This is not easy. My foot's literally change it down. Whoa, 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 whoa.
You're good, buddy.
Good thing for I've got foresight.
Look at this angle.
What does that say? I love you.
Hey, I love you.
I love you.
Ozzy, it's right on your neck, buddy. Hold on. Horseshoe Bend. What a place. Get it on.
Let's go right.
No.
How do we get out of
Up. Between the bushes. Shoes aren't great for hiking. Got a little loose. Loosey goose.
Gotta tighten them.
And it hurt my feet. So Horseshoe Bend's pretty sick.
It's pretty horseshoe, Vinny.
Pretty bendy and pretty horseshoey. This ground is so sick.
Yeah, that's cool.
It's pretty hard to believe that this was all covered in water at some point. The tour guide that was next to us at the sunset yesterday was saying that it was covered by a lake 5 times bigger than the Great Lakes.
Oh, really?
Like combined.
That's wild.
Ain't it? And there's like lava rock over here. Ozzy, come this way. Come on. Come here. You're all tied up. Come here. Ozzy, come here.
That was fun. That was so cool.
I love you.
I love you.
Ozzy had fun. Come on. So after taking in all the amazing sights at Horseshoe Bend, we headed back to the truck, got the dogs fed, got some very interesting instructions in the bathroom, and headed to Page for some breakfast. We then hit the road for the 4.5-hour drive to our stop for the night, Las Vegas. A big shout out to our sponsor for this video, Race Gas. We've burned over 230 gallons so far on our trip, and all that has been treated with race gas. It's helped increase our fuel economy and turn standard gasoline into premium for our supercharged 4Runner. Check out Race Gas for all your high octane needs. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and follow along as the road less traveled goes to Las Vegas and beyond. Until next time.
To the dirt. To the dirt.